Okay, so this is a tutorial for bubble wrap. It's basically a trick that skips a couple of screens. It's basically very cool. You probably want to include it in your speedrun. Okay, so basically, what you want to do is you want to keep on running until you hit around this part. You see these crosses on this blue thing. So the long one can be a visual cue, the beginning of it. So you basically around here, you want to jump. And you keep your shovel down so you can pogo off of a block of the next screen, just like this. Now what you want to do is you want to pogo off of a dragon, and you want to wait till he gets to the left side. So basically, if you're quick enough, 2 hits will actually get him to the left. But usually, and this is what you want to expect, but you have to deal 3 hits for him to move to the left. And after that, you use the shovel to cancel the pogo, and be sure you're facing the right, and you want to land on the head of the dragon, and this will do a damage boost to the left. 1, 2, 3 damage boost. So I smacked the shovel, I was facing right, and I damage boosted. Now I want to pogo off of the bubbles to get to the top. Okay, now I'll wait for the bubbles to move up so I can actually jump to the other block. Now destroy this top bubble without destroying the other ones, obviously. And here you have a pair of bubbles that's floating up, and you want to wait till the right bubble from this pair gets to. So basically, people have different visual cues. Some people don't use visual cues at all. They just do it intuitively. But my visual cue is, so you see this plant, which is on the wall, the one I'm standing beside. So basically it's made out of these little like pixel leaves, right? Leaves. And you want to wait till the right bubble gets just under this second leaf from the top. And when that happens, you will want to jump, pogo off of the right bubble, and then pogo off of the left side of the left bubble, but you don't want to be too much to the left, because then it will not work. So let me demonstrate the trick. And that's bubble wrap. Just continue to play the game like normally. Thank you for watching.